Hello guys, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. My name is Divya Agarwal and today I will tell you new vacancy which is related to the GTA, that is Graduate Executive Trainee and CA Intermediate or CMA Intermediate, and under the various vacancies. Now when you come up to the Google Chrome, you have to type NLC. Yes, this is the vacancy is in the NLC India Limited. You have to click it here. Now you will be redirected to this page. If you see there is written career, you have to press on the career, and now you can see there is written current opening. Recruitment for the post of assistant manager, that is already closed, and the second post is recruitment of graduate executive trainees in various disciplines. So as you can see, this date is extended till 14 June. So that means tomorrow, that is the last date, and you have to click on. Now, as you can see, here comes the advertisement number. NLC India Limited, it's a Government of India enterprise which is known as a Navratna. Recruitment cell in HR department and corporate office, and this is in the Tamil Nadu, in India, in Tamil Nadu. Now you can see there are various vacancies like the mechanical, electrical, civil, control and instrumentation, computer, mining, geology, finance, and HR, human resource. So let's see what is the qualifications. You need full-time, part-time bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, or you are applying other post also. And if you can see, there is a vacancy of a finance. Finance here is rated for the CA intermediate or the CMA intermediate. Means they do not clear the CA final, but they are the intermediate. They can fill it. If there is a note also, candidate possessing MBA should have acquired the same after passing graduation. And the second is also give MBA certificate also. And as you can see in the human resource for the HR, you need only degree in any discipline, or you can have post graduation in like social work, business administrations related to these. And the C is you should have additional qualification of degree in law is desirable. That is not matter. As you can see, there are various vacancies for the mechanical 125, electrical 65, again civil for 5, and for the finance is 14, and the human resource is for the 10. Now look at here, what is the age limit for the general and EWS? The age limit is 30, for the OBC 33, for the SC 35, and for the ST is 35. This is age as on 1 March. Okay, look at see the pay scale. As you can see, there is a pay scale which you get from 50,000 to 1,60,000, and the place of posting. Selected candidates are liable to be posted to any unit, area, place under the control of NLCIL or any joint venture, associate, subsidiary company of NLCIL during the period of training or regulation. Basically, those autonomous bodies which are under the NLCIL where you get be posted. There is given you reservation and relaxation for the SC, ST and OBC and EWS also, as you can see. Now look at see what is the procedure of your examination. It is a computer based online examinations. Now let's see. Online examination will be held duration of 2 hours, and the question paper will consist of 2 parts. One part is for the 40 questions of the quantitative aptitude, and the second is with 80 questions on professional knowledge. Each question will carry 1 mark. If you give the wrong answer, there is also negative marking. That is also important. Your marks will be deducted from 0.25. And what is the qualifying? Qualifying is like minimum 50% for the general and EWS candidate, and for OBC, SC, ST and PWD for minimum 40%. And next is exam center. You have to choose top 5 exam centers. Method of selection is given to here. First, you should be cleared in the computer based online test. Next, your group test or the group discussion. Next, there will be PI, your personal interview. On the basis of that, you will be selected in the job. Okay, let's see what is the agreement. Basically, there is a bond of 3 years. You have to do service here. If you broke the bond, you have to pay 1 lakh rupees. How to apply? There is given you website, and I will share also this link in the video descriptions also. Payment is online mode, and the online charges for the application for the UREWS OBC candidate is 500, and for the SC ST PWX service is exempted, or INR 354. This date is given to you. This is the last date, but as due to lockdown, the date has been extended to the 14th June. If you like it, share it. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and I will share more information related to these vacancies. And thank you.